Welcome to the world of BIM and workflow management. BIM involves more than 3D models. It's about the processes that drive construction success throughout a project's life cycle. A BIM workflow includes stages like design, construction, and operation. During design, detailed 3D models are created. In construction, the model helps coordinate and plan the building process. During operation, the BIM model helps manage and maintain the building. Studies show BIM can cut rework by up to 30% and reduce RFIs by up to 50% through better coordination and collaboration. Using the right software at each BIM stage is key. Tools like Revit or AutoCAD aid design, while Navisworks or Solibri support construction planning and coordination. In the operation stage, BIM is managing a building's full life cycle. Using the right tools at each stage leads to better outcomes and cost savings.